Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, July 28, 2023. The government of Jamaica is formulating a comprehensive strategy to upgrade the Manley International Airport, NMIA, in partnership with its operator, PACAL. Minister of Transport Darrell Vaz toured the airport on Wednesday. During the tour, he consulted stakeholders about their concerns regarding the facility.
What I will get from PACAL coming out of this meeting is a short, medium and long-term plan in terms of the upgrading of the facility. We are very aware that the facility is an old facility and the equipment here is old, such as the air conditioners, etc. But there has to be a level of customer satisfaction for incoming and outgoing passengers.
Among the upgrades that have been done, he took note of improvements to the temperature inside the facility and said more would be done in the short term to mitigate inconveniences.
I'm also happy to state that the negotiation or the renegotiation from the concession agreement that we have received confirmation from PACAL, which now will go back to Cabinet, and once approved by Cabinet will allow for PACAL now to start their investment program in terms of the extension of the runway and the other things that are in that concession agreement.
Chief Executive Officer of PACAL, Fernanda Vistrain, is assuring the public that they will see improvements at the airport.
We are going to work hard. We're going to provide this plan with the short, medium and long-term actions. But you will see a change, I can assure you, on behalf of my company and my personal opinion, you will see an important change in the following months.
Visitors to the idyllic bath fountain in St. Thomas can now enjoy a smoother journey to the attraction as the first part of a project to upgrade the access road was recently completed. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett officially opened Phase 1 of the $45.5 million Bath Access Road Rehabilitation Project recently. It was financed by the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, and executed by the National Works Agency. Minister Bartlett says the new and improved road is essential to providing access to what he describes as a signature attraction for the parish. St. Thomas is being positioned as the next frontier for tourism in Jamaica, with several developments planned for the parish. During a recent tour of the parish, the tourism minister indicated that upgrading of the Bath Fountain Hotel was among the developments planned for St. Thomas.
To Bath, as you know, Bath is a big and major asset for us. It's one of the best natural hot springs in the world. And we're going to do much with it down the road. This government is excited about the future of St. Thomas.
The minister says once key pieces of infrastructure, like the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project and the new Moran Bay Urban Center, are in place, more investments will begin to flow into the Eastern Parish. The government of Jamaica is affirming that it remains sensitive to the unstable conditions in Haiti and is working to secure positive outcomes for the 37 Haitian nationals who arrived on the island on Monday, July 10. Earlier this week, the Ministry of National Security reported that it was making preparations to process applications for asylum for the group, which includes 24 males, 5 females, and 8 children. 29 of them were convicted of illegal entry to Jamaica on Tuesday, July 18, in the Portland Parish Court. Now they are going through the process of completing the required application forms for asylum. It is expected that this process will be concluded over the next few days, as each applicant must be interviewed separately, aided by an interpreter, to ensure full understanding of the process. Once the applications are received by the ministry, it will be reviewed by an eligibility committee comprised of senior officers in the ministries responsible for immigration, foreign affairs, and justice. The Security Ministry says it will also request support from the Attorney General's chambers in reviewing the applications. Upon completion of the review, a recommendation will be submitted to the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of National Security, who will consider the committee's findings and make a decision in keeping with the options articulated in the refugee policy. That decision is to be communicated to the applicants in writing within 10 working days of the decision. Since the group arrived in Jamaica, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has commenced its security screening, while the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency undertook interviews and the Ministry of Health and Wellness completed the necessary health checks. They have been housed at a campsite in St. Mary, where they have been receiving welfare support from the Disaster Relief Committee of the Municipal Council in partnership with the Red Cross and the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Robbins Bay. A fundraising initiative was launched on Tuesday to finance revamping and expansion of the burn unit at the University Hospital of the West Indies, UHWI. $260 million is needed to outfit the unit to effectively treat burn victims in the country. The fundraising drive is being led by the state's oil refinery, Petrojam, which has pledged $10 million per year to the project. West Indies Petroleum has pledged 50% of Petrojam's yearly donation. Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton says this is another important public-private partnership to provide cost-effective health care and save lives.
In fact, we do have facilities at the UHWI, you saw that. We have a facility at Bustamante Hospital for Children, Cornwall Regional Hospital, and KPH. We see about 1,000, I'm told, patients a year, most of them not severe, and the current infrastructure is able to treat with these patients, but we do have the severe burns. And for that reason, this burn unit, an advanced unit, as you have seen and heard about, is necessary to save lives.
Minister Tufton says improving the burn unit will also help the UHWI provide capacity building training in Jamaica and the region.
A lot of people come here for care. Some of the small islands don't have the capacity, and they have to fly to Miami or some other place, and it's far more expensive. We can, by adding this unit, provide additional support to our brothers and sisters in the Caribbean region.
The plan is to expand the existing facility from 870 square feet to approximately 4,400 square feet and capacity to house outpatient and scar management care areas. And finally, the Jamaica Railway Corporation, JRC, will be hosting a round-trip train excursion on Emancipation Day, August 1, on the Spanish Town to Linstead leg of the railway. Boarding for the excursion begins at 9:30 a.m. with the train set to depart at 10 a.m. It will include a tour guide and entertainment. Passengers will also get to experience the Linstead community, where vendors will have Jamaican treats on sale. Tickets for the event are priced at $1,500 for adults and $750 for children 3 to 12 years old. Interested persons can purchase tickets at the JRC's head office at 142 Barry Street in downtown Kingston, the Spanish Town train station, or Genus Pharmacy in Portmore. Secured parking will be available at the Spanish Town train station. For more information on this Emancipation Day train excursion, call 876-922-7259 or visit the JRC's Instagram page at Jamaica Railway Corporation. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.